So here's all the animals. Oop, that one almost come over here. Put seeds on both sides of the rails. Holy shit, that guy's coming up the hill. Come on. Call it chickadees. Oh, there's a chickadee. Hey, come. I gotta get one to land on me.
Yeah.
Come land on me. Come.
Why don't you just put some birds in your hand?
Duct tape it to my finger.
Yeah.
They usually just come and land on you. But they're all hungry. Oh, that one almost
He
came.
was about to. If you didn't move, he probably would have.
Come on, dude. Look at that squirrel. Look at that shot, dude. This is rad, man. I just like animals in nature, so.
Yeah.
I've never brought birdseed out, so I've never had
So
it like
many
this.
fucking birds, man. They just
This is
keep
nuts.
coming. They just keep coming.
There's at least 30 fucking.
Oh, there has to be more. Oh, there's one like right behind you.
Oh, did you get that picture?
No.
Dude, he was flying right on my finger. I mean, like beside it.
And there's another squirrel. There's 4.